While most guides suggest the Rainbow Village, I decided to visit Kajoetangan Heritage Village this morning. The sun was out, the colors were everywhere. I fell in love with this place instantly. It's full of stylish corners and cozy cafes.
Swinging like Natalie Cole. But then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard but you? Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where the sun might lead. Brand new day in between your sheets, breaking up in the best of ways, and I'm back again on the street. But then out of the blue,
for lunch, I tried the famous bakso president.
The things I love here is their chili sauce. This is wonderful. It's really hot here, but add some chili sauce and the taste is almost totally different. Thank you. And here comes the meatballs, and this is also one of the famous things here.
The meatballs were great, but what I'll never forget is watching a street performer walk right across the train track toward this restaurant. It felt like a glimpse into the most romantic and pure side of Indonesian daily life.
We are now in Malang Station and we are heading to Yogyakarta. And I've learned this word like for 4 days, but I cannot pronounce it at all. This is too difficult.
Next, we hopped on the train to Yogyakarta.
Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you.
It's a 5-hour ride, but it didn't feel like watching the city turn into open fields and exploring the dinner cart with friends made the journey feel like a quiet, relaxing escape.
You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. 'Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling.
First stop in Yogyakarta, the Sultan's Palace. The Sultan actually still lives here today. I took an hour-long tour of the grounds. Usually, there are daily dance performers, but they were paused because it was Ramadan. I noticed guards everywhere, and my guide explained that they always face the Sultan's residence out of deep respect. We also saw an exhibit on royal weddings. The traditions are incredibly elaborate. There are so many more hidden stories within the palace, and I will leave those for you to find on your own. Next up is Batik, Indonesia's national treasure. Back in 2009, it was officially recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity. It uses a wax-resist technique, where hot wax is used to trace patterns so the dye doesn't soak in. For my own batik handkerchief, I picked my favorite pattern first. Dip the stamp into hot wax, then press it onto the cloth. Traditional batik is divided into two types: hand-painted, known as batik tulis, and stamp-printed, called batik cap. Since hand-painting is incredibly time-consuming, I went with the stamp-printing method instead. During the dyeing process, the staff explained that to get multiple colors, you have to repeat the tedious steps of waxing, dyeing, and removing the wax over and over. Every single step is a real test of your patience. Finally, after soaking, ironing, and hemming, my very own handkerchief is finished. About 2 hours from the city is Borobudur. Built in the 8th and 9th centuries, it's the world's largest Buddhist temple. It's built like a giant mandala, and from above, it looks like a lotus flower blooming in the jungle. It was drizzling when we arrived, but as we climbed to the top, the rain miraculously stopped. mist after the rain gave the whole place such a sacred feel. I truly loved every second of it. The next day, I just wandered through Yogyakarta, checking out local markets and hiding from the sun in a gelato shop. Sometimes just aimless exploring the local life is the best part of traveling.
No, I'm not one of those who is the center of attention. I'm not one of those. No. Some people might say I am afraid, but I just do things my own way. I don't know why, 'cause I don't.
To end this trip, we visited Prambanan.
Wow,
Oh, you see that? You see that? Oh.
Even in a heavy downpour, the ancient drainage system worked perfectly. What's crazy is that back in the 19th century, this was just a pile of ruins. What you see now is a giant puzzle reconstructed stone by stone by archaeologists. Inside the temples, we use flashlights to see the ancient Hindu gods, while our guides told us stories of old myths. If you visit Prambanan, you have to stay for the night show. The temples make the perfect natural backdrop for the dancers. Even with the language barrier, the music and the atmosphere was so powerful I couldn't look away.
With Sultan being kidnapped by Ramadan and held captive in the kingdom of Alaka. She felt so sad.
Fellow audience members told me the Friday night shows are extra special because they include a buffet dinner. Dining under the stars with the temple Sultan, it was an experience my words can't quite describe. I came here with curiosity, but I'm leaving deeply moved by the warmth of the people and the accidental romance of everyday life. Indonesia has a charm that's truly hard to put into words. You really have to experience it for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!